Hi everyone. My name is Preeti. My co-mates are Aishwarya Patil and Savitri Mulsavalgi. My project ID PROJEAP33. Our project name Detection of Malaria using Deep Learning. Now I start with our project abstract. Our project abstract is abstract. I start with our project abstract. I start with our project abstract is malaria. Malaria is a deadly infectious mosquito-borne disease. Uh, Disease is caused by Plasmodium parasites that are transmitted by the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. There are 5 parameters that cause malaria, but in majority of cases, they are due to 2 parasites, namely, first one Plasmodium falciparum, and then second one Plasmodium vivax. The World Health Organization malaria facts indicates the nearly half of the world population is risks from malaria in 200 billion years ago. Malaria cases and world population is at risk from malaria, and there are over 200 million malaria cases and approximately 4 lakh deaths are due to malaria every year. Hence, there is a need to make a malaria detection and diagnosis fast, easy, and effective. Malaria is potentially life-threatening disease requiring rapid diagnosis and treatment. Although microscopic examination of thick and thin blood films remains the gold standard for a laboratory diagnosis, rapid antigen test and nucleic acid amplification methods may also play a useful role in detection of acute infection. Then our aim of our project is to classify malaria infected cells, that is Plasmodium parasites. Infected cells from healthy cells. Using in our project we use convolution neural network CNN with the help of 2 extra framework TensorFlow and Keras. And we get a dataset from malaria infected cells is obtained from Kaggle. Kaggle is online open source, we all know, and it is the community where users can find and publish datasets. This is our abstract of our project.
Slide. Objectives of our project. The main objective of our project is classify malaria infected cells from healthy blood cells using deep learning techniques like convolutional neural network with the help of TensorFlow and Keras using the 2 framework. Methodology of our project. The methodology using a convolutional neural network architecture is a including 5-layer input layer, convolution layer, pooling layer, and hidden layer. The TensorFlow definition. TensorFlow is a free and open source software library for data flow and differential programming across the range of tasks. Keras is an also open source neural network library written by the Python. Then Kaggle definition. Kaggle is a subsidiary of Google LLC is an online community of data scientists and machine learning practitioners.
Now let us move to methodology of our project. In our project, we using convolution of f and g functions with the help of star operator. Integral transformation of we using our project, we using f and g functions with the star operator. Integral transformation of our project is f into g of with respect to of t and delta equals to minus infinity to infinity f of t g of t minus tau dou tau f of the g of t delta equals to minus infinity to infinity f of t minus 2 g of t d tau. where T is in that T is a time domain, and FF dou is the weighted average of the function, and G minus dou is the weighting is simply shifted by amount of T, amount of time. As the T changes, as the time changes, the weighting of function emphasizes the different part of the input function. It is used to in our project to plotting a graph. And then move on to our next slide. In that we use collect the parasites from healthy blood cells. Parasites from healthy blood cells, we get infected malaria cells. It is a picture of that. In that we have some malaria infected cells and healthy cells. In that first row malaria and malaria and healthy cells we see in that picture. And then next move on to slide next.
By using the hardware and software tools. Software used operating system in Ubuntu, platform Anaconda, language Python. By using the hardware tools, processor 2.2 GHz, Intel Core i5, memory 4 GB and 600 MHz, storage 20 GB read only random only memory, microprocessor 1000 into 4.3 pixel. The liquid crystal diode display, portable microscope, 720 pixel, light emitting diode digital magnifier. The portable is such of the way that they can use the both amateur LED and LCD.
This is the hardware and software. Then
And next, result time discussion. The result, the existing neural network method give around the 70% accuracy. Now I've done our project by using Keras and TensorFlow framework. The better than result obtained the 96% accuracy.
okay, next move on to our social relevance of our project. Our project or our model can be used for detection of malaria in hospitals. Detection of malaria using in hospital nowadays using some manual process, but it does not give the any standard accuracy. It gives the approximation on that, but our aims to give a standard accuracy to the doctors, and according their standard accuracy, doctors are given us prescription on that. It reduces the death rates. And then next, conclusion and future scope of our project. Existing neural network method gives around 70% accuracy to determine malaria. What are the existing neural network method gives around 70% of accuracy determine malaria. But our project give at using Keras and TensorFlow 2 extra framework obtain a 96% result. The main objective of our project is to classify malaria infected cells from healthy blood cells using deep learning techniques like convolution neural network with the help of TensorFlow and Keras framework. The data set for malaria infected cells is obtained from Kaggle. Kaggle is an online open source community where user can find and publish a data set. This is our project. This is all about my project. This is helpful for our doctors, community leaders of our doctors and hospitals. Using the deep learning, we detect the malaria and give the standard accuracy. Thank you.